How to turn off your Snapchat location. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off your Snapchat location. Now, open the app, and once you are logged into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now, as you can see, you can find a little map icon on the bottom left of your screen. Tap on it. Now, since I've disabled my location, I'll just enable it real quick. It'll ask for Google permission, and once I do it, you can see my location is on and it will show my every friend's location on Snapchat. Now, if you want to turn this feature off, just tap on the settings icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Now once here, all you need to do is enable this ghost mode. Now, you can read, when enabled, your friends can't see your location. Now, all you need to do is just toggle on this switch right here by tapping on it, and you can set it to be enabled until 3 hours, 24 hours, or until I turn off. Now, if you want to hide your location from Snapchat for 3 hours, you can set it to 3 hours. If 24, then 24, or until you turn back on, then you can tap on until turned off. Now, your ghost mode is enabled and your friends won't be able to see your location on Snapchat. This way you can turn off your location on Snapchat, but the other way is you can simply scroll down and turn off your location of your device. Hope this helps. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.